Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, as you can tell, I'm going to show you how you can safely and effectively remove your gel nail polish. So in my last video, I promised you guys that I would be bringing you a series of quarantine edition kind of beauty hacks and beauty tutorials where I would show you how to do the things that you normally seek out a professional for. And I had said that the next video was going to be a root color touch-up, which I am definitely due, but I'm an idiot and I was so ready to sit down and film for you, and I realized I had only professional products or things I would use in the salon. And the point of the video is to show you how to do it, but also to do it with products that are accessible to everyone so that you too can use the same products that I'm using in the video. So I ordered them and I thought they would be here by this week, and instead here yet. But next week, I promise. So I figured I would film the nail one first, and next week shall be the root color touch-up. So I do have to start off by saying that I am a licensed cosmetologist, and with a cosmetology license, you obviously get training in not just hair, but with skin, even massage, and definitely with nails. It definitely has come in handy a few times in my life, and definitely now. And I do feel like the average person could probably figure it out, or they would probably start peeling at it. But I've definitely in the past have done it really aggressively and completely damaged my nails. And the fact that we don't have access to professional help right now, and I want all my friends and family and followers to be taken care of, so I'm bringing you this video today. Super easy to follow along. This video is really just going to be on how to soak off a gel polish and showing you the correct and gentle way to do it. Once I'm done, I do give myself a gel manicure. But to be honest, obviously, like I said, this is not what I do for a living. My left hand came out really well, I think, and my right hand is, it's okay, but it's like 80% okay. So I never ever want to show you something that I'm not 100% confident with. And I also felt most people probably don't have like a UV light machine at home. So the purpose of this video is just to show you how to remove your gel nail polish. And of course, once you're done, I do highly recommend putting, even if it's just a clear polish, you do want to give your nails a little bit of support. In a week or so, you can remove the polish if you want to go completely natural, but just after you've soaked off gel nails, I think it's a great idea to just have a little bit extra support. All right, I'm gonna stop babbling and let's just get into the tutorial. Hopefully the sound isn't extremely terrible. All right, so we are going to be removing these gel nails that have completely grown out, as you can see. So for that, I'm going to be using some acetone. I have some alcohol that I've just put into this little spray bottle, some cotton pads, a cuticle cutter, may not need that, I definitely do, and then some buffers, and of course a nail file that is a little bit tougher to kind of get through that top layer. So I've already filed down the left hand, which is the easier hand because I am right-handed. So I'm going to be showing you the left hand, and basically you just have to file down the kind of top layer of your polish just so that the acetone can then seep through and kind of soften up that gel polish. And of course, this doesn't need to be perfect, but basically if you see an area of the nail that's still shiny, that piece obviously didn't get filed, so just kind of go over it. All right, so now I've just cut up some of those cotton pads into smaller pieces. I'm going to saturate them in acetone and then just place it over the nail and of course wrap with the foil. And for the last one, again, saturating that cotton, placing that, making sure that you've completely saturated the nail. The best way, I think, to wrap the nail with the foil is to place it over and then wrap one side and then wrap the other. Wrap it all the way around, kind of like a burrito, and then that front free section, just fold it under and then pinch. There we have our 5 nails now. Now we're just gonna let this soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is the part where we can all get just really impatient and want to start kind of scraping at our nails, but it's best, this part isn't actually going to be really destructive on the nails, but the more we peel at the polish and have to file down our nail, like the worse that's going to be for the nails. So definitely better to just be patient with it. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes, so now we're ready to remove. As you can see, some of those edges have definitely started to lift. So I'm going to start off with this little scraping tool. I always feel like towards the tip or the free edge of the nail is where the gel likes to stick the most. Don't peel it off if it feels a little bit stuck. It's just always best to kind of file the top of it off rather than to like peel harshly and then peel a actual layer of your nail. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go over and file some of those little edges that were a little more stubborn. Okay, so as you can see, completely removed. So now I'm just going to cut some of the cuticles. You can obviously skip this step if it scares you. I just have these pretty like bad hangnails that I want to get rid of. And then I'm just going to file them down a little bit, and then we are all set. Okay, now all the cuticles feel good. We are just going to start buffing. All right, guys, and that is it. I do have to say that I feel fortunate in that I am able to do a lot of the beauty things that most people do go out and, you know, have to seek professional help with. I felt like in doing my nails today, I was so fortunate to have my nail lady. Also, I'll add some of the tools and products that I was using to my Amazon shop in case you have a hard time finding any of these things. I will leave a link for them in the description box down below. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're staying sane. I hope you're staying safe. I will also be having a new video popping up on the Ellebangs TV channel, which is my vlog channel, with just some suggestions on one of my new kind of favorite hobbies during this quarantine. So don't forget to check that out. All right, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.